Do you have an advancing army at your party? Use this fun activity to get your guests active in bombing exercises. Okay, we're gonna take a spoonful of this explosive powder, right?
And mix it. Wait.
And we're going to cut off the top because it will help our mixing process. Then we're going to take a bag. Watch this carefully. If you're too little, you will cause an explosion on yourself. If you pay attention and watch how I do this, you will not explode a bag on yourself, okay?
I actually want to watch that happen.
Right? Well, we gotta blow up this army that's coming. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna use my mouth. Okay, you guys ready? Watch. So I am holding my explosive material. I am going to grab it. This is where it gets tricky. You gotta go fast. It starts to fill up. Throw it and blow up one of the guys. Okay, let's try that again. It looks like the only success we had at blowing up the bad guys was blowing up our own soldiers. Definitely not a game for younger audiences. The teens still enjoyed mixing up these bomb concoctions. So, for this party, it was a success. We took to throwing darts, and the kids really enjoyed trying to defeat the bad guy. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to see more party ideas.